me.
This is the situation at Udochi community in Asako Central Local Government area of Edo State. Overflow from the river Niger has taken over the community. Instead of vehicles, canoe is now the means of transportation in the area. It was observed that houses in the community have been submerged by the overflow from river Niger, subjecting inhabitants in the community to untold hardship. Some of the victims of the flood disaster described the situation as pathetic. They said it is the first time that the community is ravaged by flood and overflow of river Niger of this magnitude. On his part, an inhabitant of the community, Mr. Matthew Obo, passionately pleaded to the relevant authorities to provide relief materials for the victims.
We have to thank the government for responding by sending people down here to see what we actually experience. Because no story can tell better than what you people have come to do. For that we are grateful. We need the help